आओ बच्चों खेल दिखाएं, आओ बच्चों खेल दिखाएं, छुक छुक करते रेल चलाएं, सीटी देकर सीट पर बैठो, एक दूसरे की पीठ पर बैठो, एक दूसरे को पीछे करके आगे आगे बढ़ते जाओ। वेयर डू वी हैव टू मूव, कहाँ आगे बढ़ना है हमें एनएसटीएससी एंड एसओएफ का गोल्ड लेने के लिए आगे बढ़ना है। ऐसे बढ़ना है जैसे ट्रेन बढ़ती है आगे। ट्रेन ये देखती है कि उसका कितना डिस्टेंस है, कितनी स्पीड से चल रही है और कितने टाइम में। हमें भी यही देखना है, लाइक हाउ मच डिस्टेंस आई हैव टू कवर, मीन्स हाउ मेनी स्टेप्स आई हैव टू कवर. If I'm in class 8 or I'm in class 7, I have to cover 4 or 5 steps to reach my destination after class 12. What should be my speed and how much time I am spending upon it. ओ खैर चलो, ये वाली बात तो हुई एक मोटिवेशन की, बट हियर वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन ट्रेन. So first of all, I welcome you all, dear children, this day for this special session. Myself, Reenu Garg, Vedantu Master Teacher, who have been mentoring students for all top ranks of NTSE, JEE and NEET, and preparing the children from class 7 onwards for Olympiads. How it is possible? By doing the questions of broad spectrum. आप स्पीड डिस्टेंस टाइम क्लास 5 से करना शुरू करते हो, बट उसी में थोड़ा सा और अगर प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन ट्रेन एंड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस करें तो यू गेट द एक्सपर्टीज एंड नेवर एवर योर क्वेश्चन विल गो रॉन्ग. So first of all, let us discuss what is distance. Distance is the actual length of the path covered by a moving body irrespective of the direction in which it travels. अगर हम डायरेक्शन भी देखते हैं तो फिजिक्स वाली टर्म डिस्प्लेसमेंट यूज करते हैं. अभी हमारी ट्रेन सीधी चल रही है तो हमें देखना है कि कितना डिस्टेंस चलती है. तो ये हमारी ट्रेन आ गई चुक चुक करती. लेट अस सी हाउ इट मूव्स. Speed of the train. What was the speed of the train? Speed is the distance traveled by a body per unit time. If you are covering 60 kilometers in 30 hours, then your speed is 60 divided by 30. That gives you 20 kilometers per hour. तो एक सिंगल फॉर्मूला है, स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. इसी फॉर्मूले से टाइम हम निकालेंगे. टाइम इज डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड, एंड इफ यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट डिस्टेंस, इट इज डिस्टेंस इक्वल टू स्पीड इनटू टाइम. Conversions. If you're converting kilometer per hour into meter per second, you will be multiplying it by 5 by 18. How does it come? Kilometers into meters is 1000 divided by 1 hour into seconds is 3600. So the factor is 36,000 upon 3600, which gives you 5 upon 18 meters per second. If you are converting meters per second into kilometers per hour, then multiply by 18 by 5. A train moves with a speed of 108 kilometers per hour. So calculate its speed in meters per second. Simply, as I told you, recall 108 multiply by 5 by 18. It gives you 30 as the answer. So 30 meters per second. So this was the conversion. Now comes the types of problems on train. Type 1 is when the time take, you have to find out the time or the distance or the speed when the train of length L meters passes a pole or a standing man or a signal post or a tree. Means single one point पर कोई खड़ा है और वहां से ट्रेन पास हो रही है तो कितना टाइम लेगी. सबसे पहले हमें पता होना चाहिए हम उसका डिस्टेंस क्या लेंगे. एक मैन को पास करने के लिए ट्रेन का डिस्टेंस क्या होगा? इट विल बी इक्वल टू द लेंथ ऑफ द ट्रेन, and then we can apply the formula time is equal to distance upon speed. So this is type 1. You have to remember that when simply a train is passing through a pole, you have to take distance equal to the length of the train. If the train passes through a station, suppose the length of the Ambala platform is 150 meters and length of the train is 200 meters, then to pass this Ambala station for a train from end to end, how much distance it covers. Then the two distances will be added. 150 Ambala platform ka distance plus 200 train ka distance adds up to 350 meters. Now let us do the first question. Solve. Come on, your pen and paper should be ready, all of you. And read the question slowly and carefully. A train 100-meter long. So train ki length is given to you, which will be taken as the distance, is running at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. Find the time taken by it to pass a man standing near the railway line. तो आपको डिस्टेंस पता है विच इज इक्वल टू लेंथ ऑफ द ट्रेन 100 मीटर्स, आपको स्पीड पता है 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर, टाइम निकालना है, टाइम का फॉर्मूला पता है, टाइम इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस ओवर स्पीड। लेकिन उससे पहले कोई एक चीज आपको लग रही है, स्ट्राइक कर रही है। One thing is that unit should be the same. If distance is in meters, then speed should also be in meters per second. तो हमारा पहला स्टेप क्या होगा? To check if the speed is in meters per second. If it is not, then convert it. How to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second? Multiply by 5 by 18. When you multiply 30 by 5 by 18, you get 25 by 3 meters per second. Distance is given 100 meters. So time will be 100 divided by 25 by 3, which gives you 12 seconds. This sign will become multiply and reciprocal of this will be 3 upon 25. 25 4s are 100, 4 3s are 12. So done all of you? We have done one type of question when the train was passing a man. Let us move to the next. I hope all of you are there ready with the paper and pen and you are attentive. A train is moving at a speed of 132 kilometers per hour. So speed is mentioned 132 kilometers per hour. If the length of the train is 110 meters, how long will it take to cross a railway platform 165 meters long? ये type 2 हुआ जिसमें ट्रेन की लेंथ 110 है, प्लेटफॉर्म की लेंथ 165 मीटर्स है, तो हमें टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड मिल गया। स्पीड 132 किलोमीटर पर आवर है, टाइम निकालना है। टाइम का फॉर्मूला ऑल ऑफ यू नो व्हाट, टाइम इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस ओवर स्पीड। अब एक प्रॉब्लम है, अगेन व्हाट यू कैन सी दैट किलोमीटर्स पर आवर। So change 132 into kilometers per hour by multiplying by 5 by 18, and what do you get? 110 upon 3 meters per second. So distance covered in passing the platform will be 110 plus 165 gives you 275 meters. So therefore, time taken is 275 is the total distance divided by 110 by 3. I have not written that step. Division की जगह multiplication आ जाएगा and reciprocal of 110 by 3 comes to 3 upon 110. That will give you 15 upon 12 seconds. Children, it is 15. One is missing over here. So 15 upon 12 seconds is 7.5 seconds. So a train will take 7.5 seconds to pass a platform of 165 meters. So you have done two types of questions when the train was passing through a man and when the train was passing from the platform. In past questions, you were converting meters, kilometers per hour into meters per second. Now I give you one short question of converting meters per second into kilometer per hour. So convert 40 meters per second into kilometer per hour. How? By multiplying by 18 by 5 and you get 50.4 kilometers per hour. Now comes relative speed. अब बोलोगे अभी तो मैम स्पीड की बात कर रहे थे, अब ये रिलेटिव स्पीड कहाँ से आ गई? ये कोई रिश्ते वाली स्पीड है? Yes, it is the relation between the two people A and B moving in two different trains. First case, first of all, let us define the relative speed is the speed of an object or observer B in the rest frame of another object or observer A. Suppose I am observer A, I am moving in Shatabdi and Akshaj is observer B who is moving in the superfast. So when I am observer A, what I see him, कि उसकी speed कितनी है, that is called as the relative speed, or what he looks at me, I am moving with what speed is called as the relative speed. Now what happens? When both of us, Akshaj and me, superfast and the Shatabdi, they are moving in the same direction with speed u and v respectively, then relative speed is computed by the difference u minus v meters per second. And this all of you must have experienced, like when you are also moving and the other train is also moving with some higher or lower speed. आपको ऐसे लगता है कि आपकी स्पीड ना कम हो गई है, ट्रेन रुक गई है जैसे। क्यों? क्योंकि रिलेटिव स्पीड क्या हो गई है? u minus v meters per second. And in case 2, when two bodies are moving in the same direction, in the opposite direction, Akshaj and me are coming in the opposite direction. I am moving from north to south, he is coming from south to north. He is in superfast, I am in Shatabdi. Then the relative speed will be computed by their sum. Means हम ट्रेन में बैठे होंगे और हमें दूर से आती ट्रेन दिख रही है तो हमें लगने लगता है हम भी बहुत तेज चलने लगे हैं, because relative speed is added u plus v meters per second. So whether in the same direction or in the opposite direction, हमें in cases में क्या निकालना होगा कि actual speed when the train is moving in the same direction or in the opposite direction, या आपसे time निकलवाया जाएगा. तीन चीजें हैं speed, distance, time, उन्हीं में से कुछ निकालना है. बस ये ध्यान रखना है कि अगर दो ऑब्जेक्ट सेम डायरेक्शन में है तो उनकी स्पीड सब्ट्रैक्ट होंगी, अगर वो ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में तो उनकी स्पीड्स ऐड होंगी. Let us solve a problem. Come on, gear up, sit with the pen and the paper. Oh, children have started solving also. A train 100-meter long takes 6 seconds to cross a man walking at 5 km per hour in a direction opposite to that of the train. Find the speed of the train. Children always read a question break दे देके and देख के कि हमें क्या दिया है. Train 100-meter long, so write down distance is 100 meter. Time 6 seconds. To cross a man, speed of man 5 kilometers per hour. Direction opposite. So what do we do in the opposite direction? The speeds are added. But we do not know the speed of the train. So what do? We write the speed of the train is equal to x. Then what will be the relative speed of the man and the train? It will be x plus 5. Now where is the problem? It is kilometers per hour. So we change it into meters per second. X plus 5 into 5 by 18 gives you meters per second. Now time is distance divided by speed. Time is distance divided by speed is x plus 5 into 5 by 18. First of all, you solve it over here. 5x plus 25 upon 18. Divide हट के multiply आ जाएगा. 18 is on the top and 5x plus 25 is in the denominator. This 5x plus 25 gets cross multiplied by 6. 6 has come from there? Time, because time is 6 seconds. I am writing no time is equal to this. So in place of time, I fill 6. It gets cross multiplied. And then you solve for x as you do in algebraic linear equations. So 6 comes over here. You get 5x plus 25 is equal to 108 into 18 upon 6. Which on solving gives you 55 seconds. So a train, the speed of the train is equal to 55 seconds. Done? I hope it's clear to all of you. Now let's move to the next question. A train 150-meter long is running with a speed of 68 kilometers per hour. In what time it will pass a man who is running at 8 kilometers per hour? So here the speed of the train is also given to you. Speed of man is also given to you. And they are in the same direction. So what do we do when they are in the same direction? सबसे पहला काम relative speed लिखेंगे. कितना? It will be subtracted because they are in the same direction. So 68 minus 8 it gives you 60 kilometers per hour. दूसरा काम 60 को meters per second में change करेंगे. Multiply by 5 by 18. Third thing, write distance कितना? 150. Now you have to find time. Simple. Time is equal to distance over speed. So 60 into 5 by 18 gives you 50 by 3 meters per second is the relative speed. Time is equal to time taken by to cover 150 meters. So time is distance upon speed, 150 divided by 50 by 3. But it can be written as 150 into 3 by 50, which gives you 9 seconds. So we have done so many problems. I hope all of you are enjoying doing it. Come on, rest. Enjoy इसलिए करना है. See, because the more you solve at the end of the day, you will feel you have gained something. Because जितने ज़्यादा नई types of questions करेंगे, उतने ही आपको Olympiads के लिए exposure मिलेगा. Vedantu runs the Vedantu Olympiad school, especially for the preparation of all Olympiad examinations from class 6 onwards. In 6, 7, 8, we have private exams which are conducted by bodies like Unified Council conducts, NSTSE, SOF conducts, IMO and NSO, which are very much popular. And the notification is already out. I hope all of you must have applied for it, those who are watching my channel today. In my further sessions, I will be bringing up past year questions of NSTSE and SOF Olympiads in my YouTube sessions, and also will be discussing how you can manage your Olympiad preparation with your school examination preparation or with your school homework. So let us read to the question. A train 220-meter long is running with a speed of 59 kilometers per hour. In what time it passed a man who is running at 7 kilometers per hour in the direction opposite to which the train is moving? What did I tell you? When they are moving in opposite, So the speeds are added. So train ka speed was 59 and man is running at 7. So both the speeds will be added. So relative speed is 66 kilometer per hour. अब किलोमीटर पर आवर के साथ क्या प्रॉब्लम है? It has to be multiplied by 5 by 18 to change into meters per second. Repeatedly I am telling you so that you don't make a mistake. Length of the train is the distance of the train 220 meters. Now simple again. Time is equal to distance over speed. So when you change 66 into 5 by 18, it comes to 50 by 3 meters per second. Because two speeds were added, 66 into 5 by 18. Now when you have to find out time, time is equal to distance divided by 55 by 3, which gives you distance multiplied by 3 by 55. On calculating, it comes to 12 seconds. Right? Next question of the day. And before the next question of the day, please note down my email ID, reenumrt68@gmail.com. I repeat, reenumrt68@gmail.com. If you want to join any of the Olympiad preparation, which VOS, Vedantu Olympiad School runs free of cost, or sometimes it's ₹1 or 11 rupees only, because why free of cost? We do not want any child education to be stopped just because the fee comes in between. All those who are potential children, those who are capable of doing good, we are there from Vedantu Olympiad School to help you out. We are running courses for 6, 7, 8 SOF and NSTSE. We are running the batch for the preparation of NSEJS. We are running the batch for the preparation of RMOs. We are running a batch in class 7th itself for preparation of pre-RMO, which the children next year can appear. And you believe me, when they joined us 3 months back, they just knew 7th class syllabus, that too not complete. And today they are doing class 10th number system. Similarly, NTSE Head Start has also started for class 7 children, in which our target is to complete the social studies and mental ability section and major class 9, 10 sciences also in 2 phases. The one phase is October, November, December, which started from 16 September, and another phase will be January, February, and March. So these courses which I announced just now, they are specially for 6th, 7th, 8th children. All those parents who really want to discuss anything regarding their child, please drop a mail on reenumrt68@gmail.com with the name of the child, the school, board, and class of the child, and if any achievement like school examination achievement of 90% plus or any of the Olympiads achievement with a scanned copy of that. So let us move to the next question. A train 180-meter long is running with a speed of 68 kilometers per hour. In what time will it pass a man who is running at 8 kilometers per hour in the same direction? So this time the direction is the same. So what will happen to the velocities? The speed, they will be subtracted. Speed of train is 68. Speed of man is 8. So what is the relative speed? 68 minus 8, that gives you 60 kilometers per hour. Distance is 180. So easy to find out the time now. I think all of you are thorough with these types of questions. See, in 20 minutes before, you were not knowing what are the problems on the train. And after 20 minutes of this session or 30 minutes of this session, you will be trained in these types of questions. So see, if you attend nearly 3 classes in a week with VOS, like 1.5 hour classes, regular classes in a week, you will be gaining a lot. I'm very much sure the children who are with me today in VOS, they will be somewhere in first few ranks of either NEET or J, or even if they want to do CA. Even after class 10, I'm not preparing you for CA examinations, we are preparing for NEET or J, but that habits get inculcated. In 9th and 10th classes, all of you should be able to clear NTSE exam from your different states. So maximum children who are watching this session should be clearing NTSE exams, and you start your preparation from class 6 onwards. जब हम छोटे छोटे milestones achieve करेंगे तब भी बड़े वाले stone से fight कर पाएंगे. Speed of the train relative to man is 68 minus 8 kilometers per hour. So to convert it into meters per second, you multiply by 5 by 18. Time is equal to distance 153 divided by 50 by 3, which gives you 150 multiplied by 3 by 50 equal to 9 seconds. Next question. A man is sitting in a train traveling at 50 kilometers per hour. Observes that a goods train traveling in opposite direction takes 9 seconds to pass it. So, a man is sitting in a train जिसकी स्पीड कितनी है 50. उसने किसको देखा है गुड्स ट्रेन को और गुड्स ट्रेन की लेंथ कितनी है 280. कितनी देर में पास किया 9 seconds. So what is the speed? Speed is 280 by 9. This comes to 280 by 9 meters per second. When you change it into kilometer per hour, it comes to 112 kilometers per hour. So 112 kilometers per hour is the relative speed. Now, what will be the actual speed of the train? 112 minus the speed of the man. So 112 minus the speed of the man will be 62 kilometers per hour. Hence, goods train is moving at 62 kilometers per hour. So majorly we did all types of questions today. So thank you so much. And if you have understood, you really feel that viewers is going to give you benefit, then please watch our channel of Vedantu Olympiad Schools. And I will be coming up every Thursday and Sunday and bringing you different past questions of NSTSE and SOF Olympiads. Also, we are running a regular courses. If you want to register in them or you have any query, you can drop a mail on reenumrt68@gmail.com. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.